Arrest those negative thoughts, nip them in the bud, and replace those negative thoughts with affirmative thoughts. Affirm yourself. All right. So it's not about, hey, no, you can't. It's yes, you can. Yes, you will. All right. Now, one of the best ways that you can support your affirmations of yourself is, look, this isn't your first rodeo. All right, you've achieved great things in the past. If you had not, you probably would not be tuning in to this message right now. So there's a reason that you're tuning in, because you've achieved great things in the past. And right now, you're trying to make your way to the highest and best version of yourself. So the best way that you can affirm yourself is to constantly review some of your past achievements. Now, I'm not asking you to get, stuck in the past, but look, you've been through some things. You've accomplished some things. You've won some things. You've been at the top of a mountain before, but right now you're trying to go to something higher and better. So just remember, you've been here before. Remember.